In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an Excel Vlookup formula using Chatgpt. Whether you're new to Excel or just looking to automate some of your data tasks, utilizing Chatgpt can make generating formulas a breeze. To kick things off, you'll want to open Chatgpt. If you haven't used this tool yet, you'll find it's a user-friendly platform designed to assist with a wide range of queries, including complex Excel functions like Vlookup. Once you're on the Chatgpt platform, the next step is to create a new chat session. This fresh workspace means you can input your query without distraction, and any back and forth you have in this chat won't affect other conversations you might have later on. Before you jump into asking for a Vlookup formula, it's crucial to identify your specific needs regarding what you're looking to achieve with Vlookup. Think about your data set. What columns are involved, and what exactly do you want the formula to accomplish for you? Understanding these specifics not only guides the chat, but also helps you get a precise formula tailored to your needs. After you've clarified what you need, it's time to craft a clear prompt for Chatgpt. A well-thought-out prompt might look something like this. Please help me generate a Vlookup formula where I need to find the price of a product based on its ID from a table where column A has IDs and column B has prices. Note how this example includes all necessary details, the function itself, relevant columns, and the broader context. Once your prompt is sent, you simply wait for Chatgpt to generate the formula. This part is usually quick, but if it takes a moment, don't worry. It's the system analyzing your input to provide the most accurate output possible. In most cases, Chatgpt will return a formula that fits your query, ready for you to copy into your Excel sheet. If the formula Chatgpt provides isn't quite right, or if you need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. For instance, you might need adjustments to the formula or additional explanations about how it works within Excel. Engaging actively in this step ensures that you maximize the utility of your time spent with Chatgpt, refining the output until it perfectly suits your requirements. And there you have it. By the end of this simple process, Chatgpt will have equipped you with a Vlookup formula customized for your data task. I hope this step-by-step guide simplifies your Excel tasks and makes data handling just a bit more manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy data crunching.